Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable accessibility modes in camera Bixby Vision on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, and then in here tap on accessibility. Next, tap on spoken assistance. Then tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. At the top here, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Once this is turned on, you can also choose which features to activate or deactivate. So for example, if you don't use object identifier, you can switch it off. Now once it is turned on, you can open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on Bixby Vision at the top here. And you can see there are now 3 features has been turned on in the accessibility mode. And here we've got scene describer.
Analyzing scene. A close-up of a fabric.
Here we can try to test on this headphones case.
Analyzing scene. A white box on a surface. Analyzing scene.
It's pretty accurate. So.
A white square object on a...
And here we've got text reader.
Sound by AKG. Samsung.
And there it is. So
Point the camera.
So here, if I go and I turn on object identifier and go back in here, you can see now we have object identifier. And that's it. That is the accessibility mode in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.